Working on 2009 Acura TSX. The factory sub is mounted on the rear deck, gone bad, which is a pretty common issue. Trouble with this sub, as you can see, it's mounted from top down. So in order to change that, you have to take the rear deck out, obviously. To do that, you're gonna have to remove these side panels. Then you're gonna have to remove this back panel. Then the screws are under part of it, obviously. And we are using the kicker subwoofer 8-inch. It's an 8-inch. This RMS is 200. We've been using this one, it works fine. Let's see how it is. Okay, in order to take this back seat out, right about here, there is a clip. There is a lever. Let me see if I can show better. I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna show you. So you need one of these panel popper. You're gonna pull this lever out of the way and release. Now what I'm doing is, I'm gonna show you. See this thing here? You're gonna pull this out like that. Then this can be lifted up like that. And you're gonna pull this entire back. On this one, for the middle, there is a metal bar, comes up like this. And they decide to put a 10 mil right underneath. So we're gonna have to remove that in order to remove the bottom seat out. You need to open it and release that 10 mil bolt out. Alright, so we are taking the 10 mil on the middle one out on the back of it, because that is what's holding the bottom seat. So you're gonna need either open end or a small stubby socket set. We got that bolt out. Now you can remove it like that. So this is what was holding it from the back side of it. Once you have it out, we got 10 mil bolt here, another one on the other side, nothing in the middle that I can see. So we're gonna remove these. No, you gotta do this side too. Go up straight here. Okay. You gotta take this side out too. So that side one, it pushes up. And in order to take this one out, there are 10 mils here on the side. We don't have to take that out. We can just fold this one down. All right. Now we're gonna take this side one out, this side. Yeah. Pop out straight. Careful, careful. No. Yeah. You gotta do like that. Yeah. Hang on. You know what? Maybe we should use a pry bar. Hang on. Use a pry bar because it's kind of tight. Sure. Same thing on this side. Apparently this thing here, this thing is tight. So when you put that back in, be sure to have it this way, because if you have them like this, it won't go in. So it has to be out like that. This thing here, you gotta push out this plastic out first.
Yeah, but
It's tight.
very tight.
Okay. Be careful. There is a airbag pump, so don't damage that. Alright, now this thing, it basically pops upward. You gotta pop this front side out, go forward, and we gotta pull up. You need a panel, the pry bar to go underneath and pop it. Carefully pop it. Yep. There is one on this corner right here. There's one on this corner too. Right there. Right there. A lot of clips on the bottom side of it. We're gonna have to pop that up.
Wait. You gotta take this first.
This comes out separate? Yeah. Apparently this one separates from the top. Man. They're supposed to come out like that?
Yes.
Yeah. It seems to be too tight. So this comes out. Metal clips like this. I don't know whether they're supposed to come out like that. I think these are supposed to come out together. There. Use a pry bar to less. So you're gonna have to turn this way to release this bulb. Once you have that out, the back panel should come out. That's what was hitting that subwoofer in the middle. Right? Obviously, it's held on with 4 bolt. Those are 10 mils. I'm not going to show you how to take it out. You just simply remove 4 bolt and the entire sub comes out. Remove the bolt and so you're going to have to disconnect the plug underneath.
Yes, plug conecté yo, güey.
And the sub
Creo
comes
que te
out.
preguntaba el mismo, que es donde conecto, es aquí, le dijiste. Hasta manda, vaya a cambiar solo un parlante, dice que saca de la pista de este.
Tornillos de madera.
Okay, we are not changing out the speakers on the side. Somebody already put new speakers in. But if you are, there is a trick. In order to change the sub on the middle, you have to take the whole back deck out, the seats out, and do that. But in order to change the speakers, you just simply pop out the grill. Careful because these are really thin, and you just remove the grill. So carefully pry that out, just like that, and it comes out. So again, this is the back of the vehicle. That's the brake light. Start it from this corner here, go around, and lift up and pull. As you can see, it's locked in here, like this. And then you snap back in. So you can access the screws here, take the speaker out, put new speaker in, screw back on, wire it up from the bottom, or you do it before you put the speakers in. Then after you're done, you just simply push that back in place. That's it. Do the same thing here, but unfortunately, this does not come out because they used one of those heat thing, melt the plastic down or like that. So in order to do the sub, you gotta do what we're doing. It has 2 colors. One's a gray, the other one's a light blue. The gray is positive, light blue is a negative. So we are connected the gray to the white wire, which is the plus, black white to the light blue wire, which is the negative. This is the navigation. That thing always goes back. Make sure that it works. Sound.